So we're going to do some Irish translation using ChatGPT, but first I wanted to show this is my Irish apps. I made a little home screen, so you can get this link in my YouTube bio. And if you go here, then you can access the apps that I've built so far. And there's a little description about what they are here. So here's the newest one, the Gaeilge website, where you can type in Irish and it will show it in the old orthography. So it's Misha Miha. And you can change the script here to different fonts, whatever you prefer. And then this button is a new addition, and it actually sends it to Aber, which will process whatever you've typed and send back the audio. So let's listen to this.
Díomh a cháirde, sciúigi mhór mhocail an seo, is Misha Mícheál.
You can change the voice here.
Díomh a chaide, stíomh mhór mhocail an seo, is Misha Mícheál.
Right, so we're going to do that. We're going to get the story from ChatGPT, and then I'll try and use my websites to figure out what the words mean, and we'll listen to them as well using this. Okay, so let's get a story. Please give me a simple story in Irish, and I will try to translate to English. Then you can correct me line by line. Okay, so here's the little story. And we'll paste this into my Gaeilge website. And here we have the text here and the old script. Bhí cut beag bán and the chónaí diach chastra. So there was a small white cat that lived in a house by the beach. So I'll do one that's a bit easier to read first. This one. Gach maidin chuaigh sé amach chun na haon a echaidh ag eitslet as cion na farraige. So every morning he would go out to watch the birds flying over the sea, the ocean, the sea. Right, so we'll start typing our answer back to ChatGPT. And let's actually listen to this. So let's pick this one.
I cat beag bán yn y chónaí I dach coistá, gach maidin. Bhfuil sé amach yn y haon digdáil I gceist os siún na farraige, bháin. Bhfuil sé le madar a cadúil dar danim rí. Bhí an cat agus a madar a mórtasach as a gadas nó. Dyn mar sé le chéile gach cháil. Agus bhí sér sona sásta.
Okay, I'll just write it in here. So there was a small white cat that lived in a house by the beach. Every morning, gach maidin chuaigh it went amach out chun tú. Na hain a echai, to watch the birds, to see the birds. Ag etchlet, etchlet, etchelt, 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 I think. To see the birds flying over the sea. Láhain bhfuil sé madra chailtiúil dar banam drí. So one day it met a dog, a friendly dog. Chailtiúil, friendly. Madra dog. Dar banam rí, that was called rí. Bhí an cat agus an madra mar tosach as an Gaeilge snóa. So this word seems similar to that. I don't know the exact form, but I'm pretty sure it's friends. Good friends or something. So the cat an cat, the cat agus an madra and the dog. Bhí were Mortasach, 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 Murtasach. Let's see what this means. Pride. Okay, so they were proud to be new friends. Or maybe this is to make us. They were proud to make new friends. Proud of their new friendship. Okay, so this is proud of. So proud of. And then this is a eclipse, so it's their new friendship. And let's actually use my other website to search up this word and see is there any actual sentences. So there's one here. Although we didn't fall out completely, the friendship cooled off. Okay. Came cold on our friendship. On the friendship. Okay. Right. So dimmer shield le chéile. So dimmer Emmert played, I think. They played with each other. Le chéile. Gach lá, every day. Agus bhí siad sona sásta. Agus bhí siad, and they were sona sásta, very happy, let's say. Right, I will actually check out is there a translation of the whole story? So this is what Google says. There was a little white cat who lived in a hut. Oh, I'm pasting this one. It's getting confused. There was a little white cat lived in a house by the beach. Every morning he went out to watch the birds flying over the sea. One day he met a friendly dog named King. Ree is King. The cat and the dog were proud of their new friendship. They played together every day and they were happy. So we're going to paste our translation into GPT and see what it says. Okay, I said the car and the dog. It should be cat. Okay, that was fun. Should I do one more? Should I do one more? Yeah. Right, I'm doing one more. One more, please. Okay, so we're going to paste this into the Shanghou website. And then we'll actually click it to read it out as well. Let's try Connacht one.
Bhí buachal ó barab anam liam ina chúnaí is sráid bhaile beg, lá amháin. Fuair sé cuinín beg dubh sa chail. Thug sé an cuinín a bhaile agus thug sé dó bhóg mar anam air. Bhí liam ansásta, mar bhí cara nó aige, thug sé dó bhóg amach, gach lá chun rid timpeall sa ghairdín.
Okay. So the Bochalog, so a young boy, was Darabanyam was called Liam. In the Choni lived in Stradwalje. Lived in a village. I think there's a village or a town, a small town. So there was a young boy, Bochel. Vi Bochel og Darabanyam Liam in a choni a Strad Walje Björk. There was a young boy called Liam that lived in a small town. Lawan for she Kunin Björk Dove Sachoy. Okay. So one day one day for she Kunin Björk. I think this might be found, is it? Let's see, can we look it up on my other website? So we can see there's a lot of different forms of this word. Let's see, do they have anything in common? Got. Did you get the money I got? I was lucky that I got the job, so it's getting something. We'll guess. One day he got a... I wonder is it got or found? We'll check here. So let's leave it as got and see can GPT correct us on it. He got a small rabbit. Small black rabbit. Dove. In the forest, in the woods. Hug sé an cunain a bhaile agus hug sé dovóg mar an mér. Right. So he took the rabbit home. Hug sé an cunain a bhaile. He took the rabbit home. Agus hug sé, and he gave it the name as a name. He gave it Dovog as a name. Bhí Liam ansásta mar bhí cara nua aige. So Liam was very happy because a new friend was at him. So because he had a new friend. Thóg sé do bhóg amach gach lá chan ra timpel sa gheargin. So he took the Vogue outside every day to run around the garden. So first we'll see what Google thinks this means. A young boy named Liam lived in a small village. One day he found a little black rabbit in the woods. He took the rabbit home and named it Dovog. 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 Liam was very happy because he had a new friend. He took Dovog out every day to run around the garden. Okay, here's our translation. We're gonna paste it to ChatGPT. Okay, so Srodvalje means Bjug means a small village. Small town is far, but yeah, I guess village. What is what's the word for town there? Wonder will this work? This is just Balja, Balja, Walja, Balja, Balja. Okay. Found fits better, so we noticed that. We intentionally left it as that. So that's good to know. Should I do one more or that's it?
I think that's it.
That'll do. Perfect.